All right, welcome back. So today I'm making a video about our fuel system. So I got some comments in the past about people wanting to know what do you need and how our fuel systems work when it comes to making power, NA and boosted. So I'll talk about both of those things right now. Before I get to that, so doing that first real quick, that may or may not happen. I'm gonna just leave it at that, but pretty stoked for that if it happens. So we're gonna go over there to AAA for the application, and yeah, I'll get back with you guys soon. All right, gotta have the quick releases. These things come in clutch, it's so handy. All right, so don't mind the car, it's hella dirty. Just got back from a road trip, like literally 3-hour road trip. Got the new R888Rs on. Love these tires, honestly, for the street. At least for the setup that it's on right now. Can't really see, but I wanted to show you guys the SPL parts, but they're there. Anyways, so fuel system. I'll start off with the boosted fuel system. Basically, something you can't really see. I mean, I kind of could show you. Yeah, you can kind of see right. Yeah, you can't see on camera, but I can see. CJM fuel rails. I got the S1 SE fuel rails. It's a full system upgrade, so completely changes out everything. And then for injectors, I am running ID 1300s. For a stock motor, that should be plenty. What's kind of not overkill is my pump. I have a Walbro 450. At the time, I couldn't get a Hellcat pump. The 450 does good right now. Actually, there is an issue with it. On fifth gear, wide open throttle, coming near at the top of fifth, it is kind of like stuttering a bit. It's kind of like it's going into a fail-safe and not a fail-safe. It's kind of weird, but I'll get back onto that in a sec. I'm running the Radium surge tank. Way that works, you have the OEM fuel hanger, which is on the passenger side. Radium surge tank goes on the driver's side. Everything is kind of mainly controlled out of the Radium. That's your main fuel hanger, and then the OEM fuel hanger basically feeds the Radium surge tank. Other than that, E85, I am on E85. I'm actually on flex fuel, so I'm tuned on 93, 85. I can do E50. I have the Concept Z, the E85 ethanol content analyzer. Why would you go E85 on AZ? So the reasons being is, one, of course, it makes more power, which I'll get to on NA, and why I don't think you should go E85 on NA. On a boosted platform, supercharger, turbo, you see the benefits all around. E85 does keep the engine cooler since it burns cooler. Also, you're able to make more power more efficiently. It's kind of like a tuner's heaven when it comes to E85 on most platforms. For the Z, it's really, really well. All right, so NA, why you wouldn't want to go E85 on NA, and this is my personal opinion, but to go E85, like how you saw, it's a good amount of stuff on NA. I'm gonna guarantee you, at most, you'll make 15 to 25 wheel. NA, it's really not worth it, unless you're tracking your car. If you are tracking your car, of course, you're getting the cooling benefits of E85, and it's 100% worth it. If not, on the street, pointless. You're spending thousands on an E85 setup that's only going to give you minimal gains. You might as well use the fraction of those thousands for headers and gain some better mid-range on NA, which on NA cars, headers do pretty well with power delivery. Again, you're not going to gain much. The main point of headers is kind of for power delivery. I know there's some headers out there that guarantee 30, 40 wheel, whatever they advertise. Man, if you're really trying to make power, this is the move, and just go forced induction. Again, you don't have to push 600 plus, you really don't. Supercharger kits out there are going for like 6-7 grand now, so save all your money. Order those first. Order the forced induction kits, because either way they take about 8 months to get to you. So yeah, E85 Radium surge tank, only recommend if you're boosted or if you're tracking. But yeah, I'm gonna make a full breakdown video of the car. So once I call it phase one, once phase one is done, which is basically just waiting for the wheels, it's not gonna be a what do you need, it's gonna be what I've done and how much it cost. Yeah, this car, definitely not an investment. Far from an investment. This car makes me happy, man. I love this car. Really can't wait for phase two. People are telling me, hey man, just enjoy it for what it is and everything, but man, life is too short, man. Like, phase two needs to happen right after I make that video for phase one. These wheels I'm gonna keep for the track. I'm gonna probably put on some Cup 2Rs. Other than that, man, yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna make more videos pertaining just a lot more informational stuff. Next video I'm gonna make is about tires. So I feel like tires are something that are very overlooked. I feel a lot of people just go with a good old Mickey Thompson drag setup, but anyone that's used that setup before knows that it's just, it gets sketchy once you go past 120, 130. Some people just do it for the look and just, you know, don't push the car past 4th gear, which is usually around that 120, 130 mile per hour zone. Again, other builds are like this, where it's not only am I going faster than that, but I'm also hauling ass around corners too. But yeah, definitely keep a lookout for more videos. I'm gonna definitely start posting a lot more. I'm gonna shoot for once a week. That's my goal right now. With how work and everything else is right now, it does get tough. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys next time.